warm welcome to a bespoke demo room in Munich. Let's focus today on the future of electronics manufacturing.
Panasonic Factory Solutions has introduced the latest NPM-GW modular mounter, increasing operational efficiency and flexibility for manufacturers throughout the entire production line process. The NPM-GW enables manufacturers to produce larger PCBs, up to 760mm by 687mm, and handle a wider range of components, achieving 104,000 cycles per hour, increasing production volume and scalability. The NPM-GW is part of Panasonic's NPM G Series, designed to respond in real time to customer supply and demand changes through continuous autonomous updates. It includes the Panasonic's Auto Setting Feeder, ASF. The ASF automates the setting and loading of components into the NPM-GW mounter, drastically reducing the set time and the need for human intervention. This saves valuable resources and time, helping to make the autonomous factory a reality. As part of Panasonic's autonomous factory concept, it is enabled by its APC5M system for process control, which automates important elements of manufacturing. It detects variations in the production process in real time, automatically adjusting production processes to minimize downtime. Last but not least is the NPM G Series, part of Panasonic's efforts to make electronics production sustainable. For example, the latest generation of screen printer reduces the required solder paste by nearly a third. Panasonic's SMT machines cut CO2 emissions by 12%, with the NPM-GW mounter reducing energy consumption by nearly a fifth.
We are happy to show you more detailed demos and processes here in the Customer Experience Center in Munich. Please reach out to us.